You must have seen in some Bollywood movies that the trial court is about to deliver the judgment, and it seems that due to lack of evidence, the judge has made up his mind to acquit the accused. But at the very last moment, public prosecutor produces some crucial evidences before the court, and the judge, on the basis of those evidences, convicts the criminal. But that was possible only in films, because the High Court has now ruled that Criminal Procedure Code of 1973 mandates to try or prosecute an accused only on the evidence or documents produced along with the charge sheet and none else. The High Court has further observed that according to CrPc, the public prosecutor is not empowered to file applications to produce documents beyond those relied upon, collected during the investigation and produced with the charge sheet. I here give you some information that why the High Court has given the verdict clarifying the role of public prosecutor. The trial before the Margao Principal District and Sessions Court is going on against one Bharat alias Bhoma Ram Chaudhary, a Fatorda resident, for attempting to murder victim Lalit Chaudhary in January 2023. Charges were framed against the accused Bharat Chaudhary and about 6-7 witnesses were examined. Then on 19th April 2024, the public prosecutor made an application pleading to place on record 3 documents, including some photographs and CCTV footage, as evidence which were not part of the charge sheet and were supplied by the victim. Now, even the application filed by the public prosecutor was pending, the investigation officer in this case on 22nd July 2024 filed another application pleading to place on record those 3 documents handed over by the victim, which the trial court allowed. Then the accused approached the High Court challenging the order of the trial court. Counsel for petitioner, Advocate Rohan Desai, pleaded before the High Court to quash the trial court's order, as the 3 documents under question were not part of the charge sheet and were filed at belated stage. Accepting the contention of petitioner's advocate, Advocate Rohan Desai, the High Court, dismissing the trial court's order, has now observed that a growing trend has been noticed that PP seeks to produce evidence directly which is not part of the charge sheet, which is not prescribed in CrPc. Though in the same judgment, the High Court has clarified that in the newly introduced BNSS, which has replaced CrPc, a proviso has been inserted specifically empowering further investigation to be conducted with the permission of the court even after beginning of the trial.